In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your GoDaddy domain. Whether you've decided you no longer need your domain or you're switching providers, canceling your domain with GoDaddy is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through it together. First, the most crucial step is to access your GoDaddy account. Naturally, you'll want to start by visiting the GoDaddy website. Before moving further, be sure you have your login credentials ready, which means your username and password. Once you're on the website, you'll see the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, enter your details, and click Sign In again to access the dashboard. Now that you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface, as it's the central hub where you'll manage all your products, including your domain. On the main dashboard page, look for a section labeled My Products. This is where all your current GoDaddy products, like domains, hosting services, and more, are listed. Click on My Products to view your domains. As the list of your domains appears, scroll through until you find the specific domain you wish to cancel. You'll see an option labeled Manage next to each domain. Clicking on Manage will open up further options for the domain in question. Here, you can make various adjustments, but our focus is on the cancellation process. Once you're in the management settings for your domain, look for the Additional Settings section. You'll recognize this section as it contains numerous options for managing your domain's details. Under Additional Settings, you should have the option to delete domain. It might not be the most prominent feature, but it's there, typically toward the bottom of the options. Before you go ahead and delete your domain, take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct domain, as this action is irreversible. When you're ready, click Delete Domain. At this point, GoDaddy will prompt you with a confirmation screen to ensure you understand the consequences of this action. Confirm by selecting Yes, Delete or Delete Domain, whichever appears. It's important to note that even after you hit the delete button, GoDaddy may keep the domain on hold for a grace period, usually around 30 days, as a security measure. During this time, if you have a change of heart, you might still be able to restore the domain. Remember, canceling your domain means you are relinquishing ownership, and it will eventually be available for registration by someone else. So, be absolutely sure before taking this step. And there you have it, a straightforward process to cancel your GoDaddy domain. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful on your domain management journey.